Surah Al-Anbiya, the Prophets. This surah is Meccan, containing 7 sections and 112 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون.
The accountability of the people has drawn near, yet they turn away in heedlessness.
ما يأتيهم من ذكر من ربهم محدث إلا استمعوه وهم يلعبون.
Whenever new advice comes to them from their Lord, they only listen to it flippantly.
لاهية قلوبهم وأسروا النجوى الذين ظلموا هل هذا إلا بشر مثلكم أفتأتون السحر وأنتم تبصرون.
Their hearts are occupied with frivolity, and the oppressors consulted in secret. Is he but a human like you? Do you then come to sorcery while you see?
قال ربي يعلم القول في السماء والأرض وهو السميع العليم.
He, the Prophet ﷺ said, My Lord knows every word in the sky and the earth, and He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
بل قالوا أضغاث أحلام بل افتراه بل هو شاعر فليأتنا بآية كما أرسل الأولون.
Rather, they the disbelievers said, This Quran is from his false dreams. No, he has fabricated it. Rather, he is a poet, so let him bring forth a sign to us like the previous messengers who were sent.
ما آمنت قبلهم من قرية أهلكناها أفهم يؤمنون.
We destroyed before them any village which did not believe. Will they then believe?
وما أرسلنا قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
And we only sent men before you to whom we would send the revelation. So ask the people of knowledge if you do not know.
وما جعلناهم جسدا لا يأكلون الطعام وما كانوا خالدين.
And we did not create them as bodies that do not eat food, and they were not immortal.
ثم صدقناهم الوعد فأنجيناهم ومن نشاء وأهلكنا المسرفين.
Then we fulfilled our promise. So we granted salvation to them and whomsoever we willed, and we destroyed the transgressors.
لقد أنزلنا إليكم كتابا فيه ذكركم أفلا تعقلون.
We have certainly revealed a book to you in which there is your renown. So do you not have intelligence?
وكم قصمنا من قرية كانت ظالمة وأنشأنا بعدها قوما آخرين.
And how many villages have we destroyed, the inhabitants of which were oppressors? And we created another nation after them.
فلما أحسوا بأسنا إذا هم يركضون.
So when they sensed our punishment, they suddenly began to flee from it.
لا تركضوا وارجعوا إلى ما أترفتم فيه ومساكنكم لعلكم تسألون.
Do not run away and return to that in which you were granted luxuries, and towards your homes. Perhaps you shall be questioned.
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
They said, "Destruction for us. Indeed, we were oppressors."
فما زالت تلك دعواهم حتى جعلناهم حصيدا خامدين.
This remained their cry until we made them scythed, extinguished.
وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
We did not create the sky and the earth and all that lies between them for amusement.
لو أردنا أن نتخذ لهوا لاتخذناه من لدنا إن كنا فاعلين.
Had we intended to take an amusement, we would have taken it from our court if we were to do so.
بل نقذف بالحق على الباطل فيدمغه فإذا هو زاهق ولكم الويل مما تصفون.
Rather, we cast the truth upon falsehood, leaving it obliterated, and it is eradicated, and destruction is for you due to that which you claim.
وله من في السماوات والأرض ومن عنده لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ولا يستحسرون.
And to him belongs all that is in the heavens and the earth, and those who are with him are neither too arrogant to worship him, nor do they tire.
يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفترون.
They glorify him by night and day. They are not indolent.
أم اتخذوا آلهة من الأرض هم ينشرون.
Have they made gods from the earth who resurrect the dead?
لو كان فيهما آلهة إلا الله لفسدتا فسبحان الله رب العرش عما يصفون.
Had there been gods other than Allah therein, the heavens and the earth would certainly have been destroyed. So Allah, the Lord of the throne, Al-Arsh, is free from what they claim.
لا يسأل عما يفعل وهم يسألون.
He is not questioned about what he does, and they will be questioned.
أم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة قل هاتوا برهانكم هذا ذكر من معي وذكر من قبلي بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون الحق فهم معرضون.
Have they made gods other than Allah? Say, bring forth your evidence. This Quran is the remembrance of those who are with me and the mention of those before me. Rather, most of them do not know the truth, so they turn away.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول إلا نوحي إليه أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدون.
And we did not send any messenger before you, except that we revealed to him, there is no God but me, so worship only me.
وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا سبحانه بل عباد مكرمون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, the infinitely gracious has taken children. He is pure. Rather, they, the angels, are honored creation.
لا يسبقونه بالقول وهم بأمره يعملون.
They do not precede him in speech, and they obey his command.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يشفعون إلا لمن ارتضى وهم من خشيته مشفقون.
He knows what is in front of them and what is behind them, and they do not intercede except for one whom he is pleased with, and they, the angels, are afraid in fear of him.
ومن يقل منهم إني إله من دونه فذلك نجزيه جهنم كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
And whosoever among them says, indeed I am a god other than him, we will recompense him with hell. Thus we shall recompense the oppressors.
أولم ير الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون.
And did the disbelievers not think that the heavens and the earth were together, so we split them apart, and we made every living thing from water? Will they not believe?
وجعلنا في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بهم وجعلنا فيها فجاجا سبلا لعلهم يهتدون.
And we have placed firm anchors in the earth that it may not move with them, and we made wide paths therein that they may find their way.
وجعلنا السماء سقفا محفوظا وهم عن آياتها معرضون.
And we made the sky a protected canopy, and yet they turn away from its signs.
وهو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون.
And it is he who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. All are moving in orbit.
وما جعلنا لبشر من قبلك الخلد أفإن مت فهم الخالدون.
And we did not grant immortality to any human being before you. So if you die, will they live forever?
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ونبلوكم بالشر والخير فتنة وإلينا ترجعون.
Every soul will taste death. We test you through evil and good as a trial, and to us you will be returned.
وإذا رآك الذين كفروا إن يتخذونك إلا هزوا أهذا الذي يذكر آلهتكم وهم بذكر الرحمن هم كافرون.
And when the disbelievers see you, they only make you the focus of mockery, saying, is this the one who speaks ill of your gods? And yet they deny the remembrance of the infinitely gracious.
خلق الإنسان من عجل سأريكم آياتي فلا تستعجلون.
And man has been created of haste. Soon I will show you my signs, so do not seek haste from me.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass if you are truthful?
لو يعلم الذين كفروا حين لا يكفون عن وجوههم النار ولا عن ظهورهم ولا هم ينصرون.
If the disbelievers only knew of the time when they will neither be able to keep the fire away from their faces nor from their backs, and they will not be helped.
بل تأتيهم بغتة فتبهتهم فلا يستطيعون ردها ولا هم ينظرون.
Rather, it will suddenly come upon them, so it will bewilder them. Then they will not be able to turn it away, and they will not be given respite.
ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فحاق بالذين سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
The messengers before you were also ridiculed, but those who mocked them were engulfed by that very punishment which they ridiculed.
قل من يكلؤكم بالليل والنهار من الرحمن بل هم عن ذكر ربهم معرضون.
Say, dear beloved Prophet, who will protect you by night and day from the punishment of the infinitely gracious? Rather they turn away from the remembrance of their Lord.
أم لهم آلهة تمنعهم من دوننا لا يستطيعون نصر أنفسهم ولا هم منا يصحبون.
Do they have gods who will save them from us? They are not able to help themselves, and they are not given aid from us.
بل متعنا هؤلاء وآباءهم حتى طال عليهم العمر أفلا يرون أنا نأتي الأرض ننقصها من أطرافها أفهم الغالبون.
Rather, we allowed them and their forefathers to take benefit until life became long for them. So do they not see that we are constricting the borders of the land? So will they prevail?
قل إنما أنذركم بالوحي ولا يسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ما ينذرون.
Say, I warn you only through revelation, and the deaf do not hear the call when they are warned.
ولئن مستهم نفحة من عذاب ربك ليقولن يا ويلنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
And if they are touched by the air of your Lord's punishment, they shall most definitely say, destruction for us. Indeed, we were oppressors.
ونضع الموازين القسط ليوم القيامة فلا تظلم نفس شيئا وإن كان مثقال حبة من خردل أتينا بها وكفى بنا حاسبين.
We shall place the scales of justice on the day of judgment, so no soul will be oppressed in the least, and even if a deed is the size of a mustard seed, we shall bring it forth, and we suffice as a reckoner.
ولقد آتينا موسى وهارون الفرقان وضياء وذكرا للمتقين.
We certainly gave Musa and Harun the criterion to distinguish right and wrong, a light and a reminder for the pious.
الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وهم من الساعة مشفقون.
Those who fear their Lord unseen, and they are afraid of the hour.
وهذا ذكر مبارك أنزلناه أفأنتم له منكرون.
And this is sacred remembrance which we have revealed. So do you deny it?
ولقد آتينا إبراهيم رشده من قبل وكنا به عالمين.
And we certainly granted Ibrahim his wisdom previously, for we knew him to be worthy of it.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ما هذه التماثيل التي أنتم لها عاكفون.
Remember when he said to his father, i.e., uncle, and his nation, what are these statues to which you are so devoted?
قالوا وجدنا آباءنا لها عابدين.
They said, we found our forefathers worshipping them.
قال لقد كنتم أنتم وآباؤكم في ضلال مبين.
He replied, surely you and your forefathers are in clear misguidance.
قالوا أجئتنا بالحق أم أنت من اللاعبين.
They said, have you brought the truth to us, or are you among those who jest?
قال بل ربكم رب السماوات والأرض الذي فطرهن وأنا على ذلكم من الشاهدين.
He said, rather your Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, he who created them, and I am among the witnesses to this.
وتالله لأكيدن أصنامكم بعد أن تولوا مدبرين.
And I swear by Allah, I will most definitely act against your idols after you go turning your backs.
فجعلهم جذاذا إلا كبيرا لهم لعلهم إليه يرجعون.
So he broke them into pieces except for the largest one, so that they might return to it.
قالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا إنه لمن الظالمين.
They said, who has done this to our gods? Certainly he is a criminal.
قالوا سمعنا فتى يذكرهم يقال له إبراهيم.
They said, we heard a youth speaking ill of them. He is called Ibrahim.
قالوا فأتوا به على أعين الناس لعلهم يشهدون.
They said, so bring him before the eyes of the people that they may testify.
قالوا أأنت فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
They said, did you do this to our gods, O Ibrahim?
قال بل فعله كبيرهم هذا فاسألوهم إن كانوا ينطقون.
He said, rather the large one among them must have done it. So ask them if they speak.
فرجعوا إلى أنفسهم فقالوا إنكم أنتم الظالمون.
So they returned to their consciences, then said to themselves, indeed you yourselves are the unjust.
ثم نكسوا على رؤوسهم لقد علمت ما هؤلاء ينطقون.
Then they relapsed into disbelief and said, you know that they cannot speak.
قال أفتعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعكم شيئا ولا يضركم.
He, Ibrahim, said, so do you worship other than Allah that which neither benefits you in any way nor harms you?
أف لكم ولما تعبدون من دون الله أفلا تعقلون.
Shame on you and that which you worship other than Allah. Do you not have intelligence?
قالوا حرقوه وانصروا آلهتكم إن كنتم فاعلين.
They said, burn him and help your gods if you are going to take action.
قلنا يا نار كوني بردا وسلاما على إبراهيم.
We said, O fire, become cool and safe for Ibrahim.
وأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأخسرين.
They intended evil against him, so we made them the worst losers.
ونجيناه ولوطا إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها للعالمين.
We delivered him and Lut to the land in which we placed blessings for the people of the world.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب نافلة وكلا جعلنا صالحين.
And we granted him Ishaq and Yaqub too. We made all of them chosen people.
وجعلناهم أئمة يهدون بأمرنا وأوحينا إليهم فعل الخيرات وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة وكانوا لنا عابدين.
We made them leaders who guide with our command, and we sent revelation to them of doing virtuous deeds and establishing the prayer and giving zakat, and they worshipped us.
ولوطا آتيناه حكما وعلما ونجيناه من القرية التي كانت تعمل الخبائث إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فاسقين.
And we granted Lut a kingdom and knowledge and gave him salvation from the village which committed vile acts. They were evil, disobedient people.
وأدخلناه في رحمتنا إنه من الصالحين.
And we caused him to enter our mercy. He was among the chosen people.
ونوحا إذ نادى من قبل فاستجبنا له فنجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
And remember Nuh when he called before Ibrahim. Then we accepted his supplication. So we granted him and his family salvation from great sorrow.
ونصرناه من القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا إنهم كانوا قوم سوء فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
And we helped him against people who denied our verses. They were evil people, so we drowned them all.
وداود وسليمان إذ يحكمان في الحرث إذ نفشت فيه غنم القوم وكنا لحكمهم شاهدين.
And remember when Dawood and Suleiman were judging the matter of the crops ruined by the sheep of a tribe that strayed into them at night? We were observing their judgment.
ففهمناها سليمان وكلا آتينا حكما وعلما وسخرنا مع داود الجبال يسبحن والطير وكنا فاعلين.
So we made Suleiman understand it, and we granted them both dominion and knowledge. And we subjugated the mountains and the birds with Dawood, that they praise Allah, and we did this.
وعلمناه صنعة لبوس لكم لتحصنكم من بأسكم فهل أنتم شاكرون.
We taught him how to make armor for you to protect you against the affliction of war. So will you be grateful?
ولسليمان الريح عاصفة تجري بأمره إلى الأرض التي باركنا فيها وكنا بكل شيء عالمين.
And the strong wind for Suleiman, it moves with his command towards the land in which we placed blessings, and we know everything.
ومن الشياطين من يغوصون له ويعملون عملا دون ذلك وكنا لهم حافظين.
And some malicious jinn who dived for him and would carry out other tasks too, and we had prevented them from transgression.
وأيوب إذ نادى ربه أني مسني الضر وأنت أرحم الراحمين.
And remember Ayub when he called out to his Lord, indeed affliction has befallen me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful.
فاستجبنا له فكشفنا ما به من ضر وآتيناه أهله ومثلهم معهم رحمة من عندنا وذكرى للعابدين.
So we accepted his supplication. Then we removed that which he was afflicted with. We granted him, his family and their equivalent with them as mercy from us and advice for the worshippers.
وإسماعيل وإدريس وذا الكفل كل من الصابرين.
And remember Ismail, Idris and Dhul Kifl, they were patient.
وأدخلناهم في رحمتنا إنهم من الصالحين.
We caused them to enter our mercy. They are among the chosen people.
وذا النون إذ ذهب مغاضبا فظن أن لن نقدر عليه فنادى في الظلمات أن لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين.
And remember the Noon, Yunus, when he departed in anger, thinking we would not constrict him. But then he called out in the darkness, "There is no God but you. You are pure from every fault. Indeed, I have misjudged."
فاستجبنا له ونجيناه من الغم وكذلك ننجي المؤمنين.
So we accepted his supplication and we granted him salvation from grief, and thus we grant salvation to the people of faith.
وزكريا إذ نادى ربه رب لا تذرني فردا وأنت خير الوارثين.
And remember Zachariah when he beseeched his Lord, "My Lord, do not leave me childless. You are the best of successors."
فاستجبنا له ووهبنا له يحيى وأصلحنا له زوجه إنهم كانوا يسارعون في الخيرات ويدعوننا رغبا ورهبا وكانوا لنا خاشعين.
So we accepted his supplication, granted him Yahya, and made his wife fertile for him. They hastened towards virtuous deeds, and they called upon us with great hope and utmost awe, completely humbled before us.
والتي أحصنت فرجها فنفخنا فيها من روحنا وجعلناها وابنها آية للعالمين.
And remember the woman, Maryam, who protected her chastity. So we blew a special soul into her from us, and made her and her son a sign for all the people of the world.
إن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاعبدون.
This is your religion, one religion, and I am your Lord, so worship me alone.
وتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم كل إلينا راجعون.
And they have broken their religion among themselves. All will return to us.
فمن يعمل من الصالحات وهو مؤمن فلا كفران لسعيه وإنا له كاتبون.
So whosoever does righteous deeds while he is a believer, then his endeavor shall not be devalued, and we record it for him.
وحرام على قرية أهلكناها أنهم لا يرجعون.
It is impossible for the community that we have destroyed to ever return.
حتى إذا فتحت يأجوج ومأجوج وهم من كل حدب ينسلون.
Until when Ya'juj and Ma'juj will be released, and they will descend quickly from every height.
واقترب الوعد الحق فإذا هي شاخصة أبصار الذين كفروا يا ويلنا قد كنا في غفلة من هذا بل كنا ظالمين.
And the true promise has drawn near. So then the eyes of the disbelievers shall remain open. O destruction for us! We were in heedlessness in this regard. Rather, we were oppressors.
إنكم وما تعبدون من دون الله حصب جهنم أنتم لها واردون.
Indeed, you and that which you worship other than Allah are all the fuel of hell. You will enter it.
لو كان هؤلاء آلهة ما وردوها وكل فيها خالدون.
Had they been gods, they would not have entered it, and all of them shall remain therein forever.
لهم فيها زفير وهم فيها لا يسمعون.
For them there will be braying therein, and they will not hear anything therein.
إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى أولئك عنها مبعدون.
Those for whom goodness from us has been promised previously, they shall be kept away from it, hell.
لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون.
They shall not hear its slightest sound, and they will reside within that which their hearts desire forever.
لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون.
The greatest bewilderment will not sadden them, and the angels shall welcome them. This is your day which you were promised.
يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين.
Remember the day we will roll up the sky the way the angel Sijil rolls up the records of deeds, just as we originated the first creation. We shall resurrect it. This is a promise from us, and certainly we will do this.
ولقد كتبنا في الزبور من بعد الذكر أن الأرض يرثها عبادي الصالحون.
And we certainly wrote in the true palms, Zabur, after the advice that my righteous people will inherit that land.
إن في هذا لبلاغا لقوم عابدين.
In this Quran, there is sufficient content for those who worship.
وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين.
And we sent you not, but as mercy for all the worlds.
قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون.
Say, it is only revealed to me that your God is one God, so do you become Muslims?
فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون.
So if they turn away, then say, I have informed you equally. I do not know whether that which you are promised is near or far.
إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون.
Allah knows that which is spoken aloud, and He knows that which you conceal.
وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين.
And I do not know whether it may be a trial for you, and a provision for a specified time.
قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
He, the Prophet ﷺ said, O my Lord, judge with the truth, and our Lord the infinitely gracious is the one from whom help is sought against that which you fabricate. Surah Al-Hajj, the pilgrimage. This surah is Medinan, containing 10 sections and 78 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم.
O people, fear your Lord. The tremor of the hour is a most severe thing.
يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد.
The day you shall see it, every nursing woman will become oblivious to her suckling child, and every pregnant woman will miscarry her child. And you will see the people as though intoxicated, and yet they will not be intoxicated. However, the punishment of Allah is most severe.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ويتبع كل شيطان مريد.
Among the people there are those who dispute concerning Allah without knowledge, and follow every rebellious devil.
كتب عليه أنه من تولاه فأنه يضله ويهديه إلى عذاب السعير.
For whom it has been written that whosoever will befriend him, then he will certainly misguide him and lead him to the punishment of hell.
يا أيها الناس إن كنتم في ريب من البعث فإنا خلقناكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم من علقة ثم من مضغة مخلقة وغير مخلقة لنبين لكم ونقر في الأرحام ما نشاء إلى أجل مسمى ثم نخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ومنكم من يتوفى ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم من بعد علم شيئا وترى الأرض هامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج.
O people, if you are in doubt about the rising after death, then consider, we created you from soil, then from a droplet, then from congealed blood, then a lump of flesh, partly formed and partly unformed, so that we may show you our power, and we cause whomsoever we will to stay within the wombs of their mothers until a specified time. Then we bring you forth as newborns, and we increase you in age, so that you reach adulthood. Among you one dies before, and among you one is returned to the worst phase of age, so that he does not know anything after having knowledge. And you see the earth withered. Then when we send down water upon it, it moves and expands and brings forth every kind of beautiful vegetation.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأنه يحيي الموتى وأنه على كل شيء قدير.
This is because Allah is the truth, and because He will resurrect the dead, and because He has power over everything.
وأن الساعة آتية لا ريب فيها وأن الله يبعث من في القبور.
And because the hour is coming, there is no doubt in it, and because Allah will raise those who are in the graves.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير.
And among the people there is one who disputes concerning Allah without knowledge and without guidance and without an illuminating book.
ثاني عطفه ليضل عن سبيل الله له في الدنيا خزي ونذيقه يوم القيامة عذاب الحريق.
Turning his head away from faith so that he may misguide others from the path of Allah, he will be humiliated in this world, and we shall make him taste the punishment of burning on the day of judgment.
ذلك بما قدمت يداك وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
This is due to that which your hands sent forth, and because Allah does not oppress the people.
ومن الناس من يعبد الله على حرف فإن أصابه خير اطمأن به وإن أصابته فتنة انقلب على وجهه خسر الدنيا والآخرة ذلك هو الخسران المبين.
And among the people there is one who worships Allah upon an edge. Then if goodness reaches him, he becomes content with it. And if a trial befalls him, he turns upon his face. He loses in this world and the hereafter. This is a clear loss.
يدعو من دون الله ما لا يضره وما لا ينفعه ذلك هو الضلال البعيد.
He worships other than Allah, that which can neither harm him nor benefit him. This is extreme misguidance.
يدعو لمن ضره أقرب من نفعه لبئس المولى ولبئس العشير.
He worships one whose harm is nearer than his benefit. What an evil master and what an evil companion.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار إن الله يفعل ما يريد.
Allah will make those who believe and perform righteous deeds enter gardens beneath which rivers are flowing. Allah does what He wills.
من كان يظن أن لن ينصره الله في الدنيا والآخرة فليمدد بسبب إلى السماء ثم ليقطع فلينظر هل يذهبن كيده ما يغيظ.
Whosoever thinks that Allah will never help him, His Prophet ﷺ, in this world and the hereafter, then let him extend a rope towards the sky. Then he should hang himself. Then let him see whether his plotting has removed that which angered him.
وكذلك أنزلناه آيات بينات وأن الله يهدي من يريد.
And we revealed it in clear verses, and Allah guides whomsoever He wills.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئين والنصارى والمجوس والذين أشركوا إن الله يفصل بينهم يوم القيامة إن الله على كل شيء شهيد.
The Muslims and the Jews and the Sabians, i.e. star worshippers, and the Christians and the magicians, i.e. fire worshippers and the polytheists. Indeed, Allah will judge between them all on the Day of Judgment. He is a witness over everything.
ألم تر أن الله يسجد له من في السماوات ومن في الأرض والشمس والقمر والنجوم والجبال والشجر والدواب وكثير من الناس وكثير حق عليه العذاب ومن يهن الله فما له من مكرم إن الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Did you not see that whosoever is in the heavens and whosoever is on the earth, and the sun and the moon and the stars and the mountains and the trees and the beasts and many of the people prostrate to Allah, and for many a punishment has been decreed, and whomsoever Allah humiliates, none can grant him honor. Allah does what he wills.
هذان خصمان اختصموا في ربهم فالذين كفروا قطعت لهم ثياب من نار يصب من فوق رؤوسهم الحميم.
These are two adversaries who dispute concerning their Lord. So the disbelievers, clothes of fire have been cut for them. Boiling water shall be poured over their heads.
يصهر به ما في بطونهم والجلود.
Causing whatever is inside them and their skins to burn away.
ولهم مقامع من حديد.
And for them there are iron maces.
كلما أرادوا أن يخرجوا منها من غم أعيدوا فيها وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
Whenever they shall desire to leave it due to suffocation, they will be returned therein, and it will be said, and taste the punishment of fire.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا وَلِبَاسُهُمْ فِيهَا حَرِيرٌ.
Allah will make those who believe and do righteous deeds enter gardens beneath which rivers are flowing. They shall be adorned therein with golden bracelets and pearls, and their attire therein will be silk.
وَهُدُوا إِلَى الطَّيِّبِ مِنَ الْقَوْلِ وَهُدُوا إِلَى صِرَاطِ الْحَمِيدِ.
And they were guided to good speech, and they were guided to the path of the most praiseworthy.
إن الذين كفروا ويصدون عن سبيل الله والمسجد الحرام الذي جعلناه للناس سواء العاكف فيه والباد ومن يرد فيه بإلحاد بظلم نذقه من عذاب أليم.
Indeed, those who disbelieve and prevent access to the path of Allah and the sacred house Al-Masjid Al-Haram, which we made for the people, in which the right of the residents and those who come from afar is equal, and whosoever intends transgression therein unjustly, we shall make him taste painful punishment.
وَإِذْ بَوَّأْنَا لِإِبْرَاهِيمَ مَكَانَ الْبَيْتِ أَلَّا تُشْرِكْ بِي شَيْئًا وَطَهِّرْ بَيْتِيَ للطائفين والقائمين والركع السجود.
And remember when we clearly showed Ibrahim the correct location of his house and ordered, "Do not ascribe anything to me as partner, and keep my house exceptionally clean for those who circumambulate the Kaaba, stand in prayer, and bow and prostrate in worship."
وأذن في الناس بالحج يأتوك رجالا وعلى كل ضامر يأتين من كل فج عميق.
And announce the Hajj among the people. They shall come to you by foot and mounted upon every lean camel coming from every distant route.
ليشهدوا منافع لهم ويذكروا اسم الله في أيام معلومات على ما رزقهم ويذكروا اسم الله في أيام معلومات على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فكلوا منها وأطعموا البائس الفقير.
That they may witness the benefits, and they remember the name of Allah during known days, that He granted them sustenance through livestock. So eat from them and feed the afflicted, one in dire need.
ثم ليقضوا تفثهم وليوفوا نذورهم وليطوفوا بالبيت العتيق.
Then let them remove their unkemptness and fulfill their vows and circumambulate the free house Kaaba.
ذلك ومن يعظم حرمات الله فهو خير له عند ربه وأحلت لكم الأنعام إلا ما يتلى عليكم فاجتنبوا الرجس من الأوثان واجتنبوا قول الزور.
That is the divine command, and whosoever honors the sacred things of Allah, then that is better for him with his Lord. And livestock has been made lawful to you, except those that are mentioned to you as prohibited. So refrain from the impurity of the idols and refrain from the false word.
حنفاء لله غير مشركين به ومن يشرك بالله فكأنما خر من السماء فتخطفه الطير أو تهوي به الريح في مكان سحيق.
Turning away from all falsehood for Allah, without ascribing partners to Him. Whosoever ascribes a partner to Allah, it is as if he fell from the sky. Then the bird snatched him away, or the wind casts him into a distant place.
ذلك ومن يعظم شعائر الله فإنها من تقوى القلوب.
Thus it is, and whosoever honors the signs of Allah, then this is the piety of the heart. For
لكم فيها منافع إلى أجل مسمى ثم محلها إلى البيت العتيق.
For you there are many benefits in them, i.e., sacrificial animals, for a specified duration. Then their place of slaughter is near the free house.
ولكل أمة جعلنا منسكا ليذكروا اسم الله على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فإلهكم إله واحد فله أسلموا وبشر المخبتين.
And for every nation we specified a sacrifice, that they remember the name of Allah upon the sustenance which He has provided them from livestock. So your God is one God, so submit to Him and give glad tidings to the humble.
الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم والصابرين على ما أصابهم والمقيم الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Those whose hearts tremble when Allah is remembered, and to those who are patient upon the calamity which befalls them, and establish the prayer, and spend from the sustenance we have provided them.
والبدن جعلناها لكم من شعائر الله لكم فيها خير فاذكروا اسم الله عليها صواف فإذا وجبت جنوبها فكلوا منها وأطعموا القانع والمعتر كذلك سخرناها لكم لعلكم تشكرون.
And we have made the big sacrificial animals among the signs of Allah. For you there is goodness in them. So remember the name of Allah upon them as they stand upon 3 legs with one tied up. Then when their flanks fall, eat from them and feed the one who is content and the beggar. Thus we have placed these animals in your control that you may express gratitude.
لن ينال الله لحومها ولا دماؤها ولكن يناله التقوى منكم كذلك سخرها لكم لتكبروا الله على ما هداكم وبشر المحسنين.
Neither their meat nor their blood reaches the court of Allah. However, your piety reaches His court. He has placed them in your control that you may glorify Allah as He has guided you, and give glad tidings to the virtuous.
إن الله يدافع عن الذين آمنوا إن الله لا يحب كل خوان كفور.
Allah repels calamities from those who believe. Allah does not like every extremely fraudulent, deeply ungrateful individual.
أذن للذين يقاتلون بأنهم ظلموا وإن الله على نصرهم لقدير.
Those who are attacked have been permitted to fight back, as they have been oppressed, and Allah has the power to help them.
الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم بغير حق إلا أن يقولوا ربنا الله ولولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض لهدمت صوامع وبيع وصلوات ومساجد يذكر فيها اسم الله كثيرا ولينصرن الله من ينصره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
those who were banished from their homes unjustly only because they said, "Our Lord is Allah." And had Allah not deterred some people through others, then certainly places of worship, churches, synagogues and masjids, in which Allah is remembered much, would have been demolished. Allah will most definitely help those who help His religion. Allah is all-powerful, predominant.
الذين إن مكناهم في الأرض أقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأمروا بالمعروف ونهوا عن المنكر ولله عاقبة الأمور.
Those who, if we grant them authority in the earth, establish the prayer, pay zakat, encourage good and condemn evil, and the outcome of all matters is for Allah alone.
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كَذَّبَتْ قبلهم قوم نوح وعاد وثمود.
And if they reject you, then certainly before them the nation of Nuh, Ad, and Thamud have rejected.
وقوم إبراهيم وقوم لوط.
And the nation of Ibrahim and the nation of Lut.
وأصحاب مدين وكذب موسى فأمليت للكافرين ثم أخذتهم فكيف كان نكير.
And the inhabitants of Madian, Musa was rejected, so I gave respite to the disbelievers. Then I seized them. So how was my punishment?
فكأي من قرية أهلكناها وهي ظالمة فهي خاوية على عروشها وبئر معطلة وقصر مشيد.
And how many villages have we destroyed as they were full of oppressors? Now they have fallen upon their roofs. And how many wells are abandoned? And how many towering palaces have we destroyed?
أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فتكون لهم قلوب يعقلون بها أو آذان يسمعون بها فإنها لا تعمى الأبصار ولكن تعمى القلوب التي في الصدور.
So did these people not explore the earth that they may possess hearts with which they understand or ears with which they hear? So eyes do not become blind. However, those hearts become blind which are within chests.
ويستعجلونك بالعذاب ولن يخلف الله وعده وإن يوما عند ربك كألف سنة مما تعدون.
And they hasten in seeking punishment from you. Allah will certainly not break His promise. A day with your Lord is like 1,000 years from that which you count.
وكأي من قرية أمليت لها وهي ظالمة ثم أخذتها وإلي المصير.
And how many villages did we grant respite to despite their oppression? Then we seize them, and to me is the return.
قل يا أيها الناس إنما أنا لكم نذير مبين.
Say, O people, I am but a clear warner for you.
فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
So those who believe and do righteous deeds, there is forgiveness and sustenance of honor for them.
والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
And those who strive to compete against us regarding our verses, they are the people of hell.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول ولا نبي إلا إذا تمنى ألقى الشيطان في أمنيته فينسخ الله ما يلقي الشيطان ثم يحكم الله آياته والله عليم حكيم.
We did not send any messenger or prophet before you, except that on occasion when he recited the word of Allah, Satan added to his recitation for listeners. So Allah erases that which Satan casts. Then He establishes His verses. And Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
ليجعل ما يلقي الشيطان فتنة للذين في قلوبهم مرض والقاسية قلوبهم وإن الظالمين لفي شقاق بعيد.
So that he makes that which Satan casts a trial for those who have disease in their hearts, and those who are hard-hearted, and the oppressors are in far-fetched conflict.
وَلِيَعْلَمَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ من ربك فيؤمنوا به فتخبت له قلوبهم وإن الله لهادي الذين آمنوا إلى صراط مستقيم.
And so that those who are endowed with knowledge come to know that it, i.e. the Quran, is the truth from your Lord. So they believe in it. And so their hearts become submissive to it. And Allah guides those who believe to the straight path.
ولا يزال الذين كفروا في مرية منه حتى تأتيهم الساعة بغتة أو يأتيهم عذاب يوم عقيم.
And the disbelievers shall never cease to be in doubt concerning it, i.e. the Quran, until the hour of judgment comes upon them suddenly, or there comes upon them the punishment of a day that contains no goodness for them.
الملك يومئذ لله يحكم بينهم فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في جنات النعيم.
On that day, the kingdom only belongs to Allah. He will judge between them. So those who believed and did righteous deeds shall be in gardens of bounties.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا فأولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
Those who belied and rejected our verses, there is humiliating punishment for them.
والذين هاجروا في سبيل الله ثم قتلوا أو ماتوا ليرزقنهم الله رزقا حسنا وإن الله لهو خير الرازقين.
And those who migrated in the way of Allah, then they were killed or died, Allah will most definitely provide excellent sustenance for them, and Allah is the best of providers.
لَيُدْخِلَنَّهُمْ مُدْخَلًا يَرْضَوْنَهُ وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَعَلِيمٌ حَلِيمٌ.
He shall most definitely make them enter a place which they shall be pleased with, and Allah is all-knowing, most forbearing.
ذلك ومن عاقب بمثل ما عوقب به ثم بغي عليه لينصرنه الله إن الله لعفو غفور.
Thus it is, whosoever punishes to the extent that he was made to suffer, then he is still oppressed. Allah will most definitely help him. Allah is most pardoning, most forgiving.
ذلك بأن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وأن الله سميع بصير.
This is because Allah merges the night into the day and merges the day into the night. And this is because Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه هو الباطل وأن ما يدعون من دونه هو الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
This is because Allah is the truth, and that which they worship other than Him is false, and because Allah is the Most High, the Most Great.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة إن الله لطيف خبير.
Did you not see that Allah sent down water from the sky? Then the earth becomes green. Indeed, Allah is most kind, most aware.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن الله لهو الغني الحميد.
Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth belongs to Him alone. Surely, Allah is the infinitely independent, the most praiseworthy.
ألم تر أن الله سخر لكم ما في الأرض والفلك تجري في البحر بأمره ويمسك السماء أن تقع على الأرض إلا بإذنه إن الله بالناس لرؤوف رحيم.
Did you not see that Allah granted you control over that which is on the earth and the ship which sails in the ocean with His command? And He prevents the sky from falling upon the earth except with His command? Allah is most compassionate, most merciful to the people.
وهو الذي أحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم إن الإنسان لكفور.
And it is He who granted you life, then He shall cause you to die, then He will give you life again. Certainly man is most grateful.
لكل أمة جعلنا منسكا هم ناسكوه فلا ينازعنك في الأمر وادع إلى ربك إنك لعلى هدى مستقيم.
For every nation, we have made a Sharia which they must adhere to. So they must certainly not argue with you in this matter, and call towards your Lord. Surely you are upon the straight path.
وَإِن جَادَلُوكَ فَقُلِ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ.
And if they dispute with you, then say, Allah knows best that which you are doing.
الله يحكم بينكم يوم القيامة فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Allah will judge between you on the day of judgment concerning that which you were disputing.
ألم تعلم أن الله يعلم ما في السماء والأرض إن ذلك في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
Do you not know that Allah knows whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth? All this is in a book. This is very easy for Allah.
وَيَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ مَا لَمْ يُنَزِّلْ بِهِ سُلْطَانًا وَمَا لَيْسَ لَهُم بِهِ عِلْمٌ وَمَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ مِن نَّصِيرٍ.
And they, i.e., the polytheists, worship other than Allah that for which He did not reveal any proof, and that which they have no knowledge of, and there is no helper for the oppressors.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ تَعْرِفُ فِي وُجُوهِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا الْمُنكَرَ يكادون يسطون بالذين يتلون عليهم آياتنا قل أفأنبئكم بشر من ذلكم النار وعدها الله الذين كفروا وبئس المصير.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, you shall see aversion in the faces of the disbelievers. It is near that they seize those who recite our verses to them. Say, shall I tell you that which you dislike more than that? The fire. Allah has promised it to the disbelievers. And what a terrible place of return it is.
يا أيها الناس ضرب مثل فاستمعوا له إن الذين تدعون من دون الله لن يخلقوا ذبابا ولو اجتمعوا له وَإِن يَسْلُبْهُمُ الذُّبَابُ شَيْئًا لَّا يَسْتَنقِذُوهُ مِنْهُ ضَعُفَ الطَّالِبُ وَالْمَطْلُوبُ.
O people, an example has been stated, so listen to it attentively. Those whom you worship other than Allah are not even capable of creating a fly, even if all of them combine their efforts to do so. And if a fly takes something away from them, they cannot even retrieve it. How weak is the seeker and the sought.
ما قدر الله حق قدره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
They did not honor Allah as He should be honored. Allah is all-powerful, predominant.
الله يصطفي من الملائكة رسلا ومن الناس إن الله سميع بصير.
Allah chooses messengers from angels and people. Allah is all hearing, all seeing.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
He knows what is in front of them and what is behind them, and all matters are returned to Allah.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اركعوا واسجدوا واعبدوا ربكم وافعلوا الخير لعلكم تفلحون.
O you who believe, bow, prostrate, worship your Lord, and do righteous deeds hoping to attain success.
وجاهدوا في الله حق جهاده هو اجتباكم وما جعل عليكم في الدين من حرج ملة أبيكم إبراهيم هو سماكم المسلمين من قبل وفي هذا ليكون الرسول شهيدا عليكم وتكونوا شهداء على الناس فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واعتصموا بالله هو مولاكم فنعم المولى ونعم النصير.
And perform jihad in the way of Allah as it should be performed for His sake. He chose you and did not create any hardship for you in the religion like the religion of your father Ibrahim. He named you Muslims in the earlier scriptures and in this Quran, so that the messenger may be a witness over you, and you may be witness over the people. So establish the prayer, give zakat, and hold fast to the rope of Allah. He is your guardian. What an excellent guardian, and what an excellent helper is He.